Welcome to One Horse Sleigh. This is an area where we have two designer trees, and the first tree that we have here is one of everyone's favorites here in the showroom for a couple of different reasons. The top selling ornaments that we have are this new disc ornament. You're going to see right away the art quality of this piece. Now, our disc ornaments across the board through the collections this season have a kind of an upgrade to the art quality about them. There we have the black sleigh with the little doggies in it. Down here we have the back end of the sleigh. What a nice piece of art this is, and we can see the sleigh and we see the couple riding in the snow. This piece of art is an exclusive from Melrose. You're also going to see it in a very nice piece of wall art. The other thing you're going to notice about this tree as a whole, these oversized velvet emerald colored green poinsettias. We have the red ones, we have the green ones. They have incredible beading on the centerpieces of them. Then we have the smaller version in both the emerald green and this nice vibrant red color. As you look at the ornaments on the tree, we have many different shaped ornaments in just a solid red, but also that emerald color. That emerald color is very, very deep but very vibrant, and those are doing well here in One Horse Sleigh. Let's take a look at the other designer tree that we have and go over its tree recipe.